Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology and how you can use Amazon Alexa to control your smart home devices. With Alexa, managing your home becomes easier and more convenient. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Set up your smart home devices. Before you can start using Alexa, you need to ensure your smart home devices are set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. This typically involves 1. Unboxing and power on. Unbox your smart home devices and plug them into a power source. 2. Download the device app. Most smart devices come with a dedicated app. Download that app on your smartphone. 3. Follow the setup instructions. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your home Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Enable the Alexa skill for your devices. Many smart home devices require you to enable a specific Alexa skill for them to work together. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the Alexa app. On your smartphone, open the Amazon Alexa app. 2. Access skills and games. Tap on the More button in the lower right corner and select Skills and Games from the menu. 3. Search for your device's skill. In the search bar, type the name of your smart home device's brand. 4. Enable the skill. Select the skill from the search results and tap Enable to Use. You may need to log in with your device account credentials. Step 3. Discover your devices. Once the skill is enabled, you need to let Alexa discover your smart home devices. 1. Use the Alexa app. In the Alexa app, go to Devices, located at the bottom of the screen. 2. Tap Plus. Hit the plus icon and then select Add Device. 3. Select the device type. Choose the type of device you have, e.g., lights, thermostats, cameras. 4. Follow prompts. Follow the prompts to allow Alexa to find and add your devices. Step 4. Control your devices with voice commands. Now that Alexa recognizes your devices, you can start controlling them with voice commands. Here are some common commands you might use. For lights, Alexa, turn on the living room lights. For thermostats, Alexa, set the thermostat to 72 degrees. For smart plugs, Alexa, turn off the coffee maker. You can also group devices and control them simultaneously. For example, Alexa, turn off all the lights, will turn off every light in your home. Step 5. Create routines for automation. To enhance the functionality of your smart home, consider setting up routines. 1. Go to Routines in the Alexa app. Tap on the More button and then select Routines. 2. Create a new routine. Tap on the plus icon to create a new routine. 3. Set a trigger. Choose how you want to start the routine, like a voice command or a schedule. 4. Add actions. Select the actions you want Alexa to perform, such as turning on lights, adjusting the thermostat, or playing music. Step 6. Maintain your smart home setup. Regularly check for updates on your smart devices and the Alexa app to ensure everything runs smoothly. You can also explore new skills to expand your smart home capabilities. By following these steps, you'll have a seamless smart home controlled by Amazon Alexa. Remember, the more you explore, the more features you'll discover that can enhance your living experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.